Hello students, how are you? Welcome back to my video. So we are doing the square chapter and I have explained about some properties of the square numbers. Now some more interesting patterns are there. First of all, adding triangular numbers. So here you can see these triangular numbers are adding up in a definite pattern. So do you remember triangular numbers whose dot patterns can be arranged as triangles? So first of all, one star, then when you arrange this like this, three star in this form of triangle. Again when you what? You are making six. That means six stars. So this is also one type of triangle. Again 10 stars, one type of triangle. That means how it is increasing? It is increasing as the square number. So in the next page, see, if you combine two consecutive triangular numbers, we get a square number like this. Okay, like this when you combine two consecutive triangular numbers. So consecutive triangular numbers are 1 and 3. So when you add it, you are getting 4. So 4 is one square number, right? And again we are adding two consecutive triangular numbers. So 3 and 6. Then we are getting 9. So again it is a square number. So in this way. So this type of questions do not come generally in the exam. So it is a general information only. It is a pattern type question. Now topic, numbers between square numbers. So this you have to understand nicely. What are the numbers between any two square numbers? Okay, suppose 1 and 4, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So they are all square numbers. So what are the numbers between these square numbers? What are the non-square numbers? Suppose here 1 square is 1. So 2 square is 4. So between 1 and 4, how many non-square numbers are there? Here it is written 2 non-square numbers between two square numbers 1 and 4. So between 1 and 4 there are how many non-square numbers? 2. What are they? 2 and 3. Okay, they are non-square numbers. And again between 4 and 9. Between two square numbers 4 and 9, how many non-square numbers are there? So you see here, so 4 non-square numbers are there between two square numbers 4 and 9. What are they? 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 non-square numbers. And again between 9 and 16, how many non-square numbers are there? So here you can see 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? There are 6 non-square numbers between two square numbers 9 and 16. So you have to find out if big number is given. So how can you find out how many non-square numbers are there in between the two squares? So here these are small numbers, so you can count it on your finger. How many numbers are there between this square number and this square number? This square number and this square number, you can count it. But if I say big numbers, okay, two big square numbers I am given. So how can you count how many non-square numbers are there? So you have to use a formula, use a pattern. So what is it? See, first of all, see nicely it is explained here between 1 square and 2 square. That means between 1 and 4 there are two non-square numbers, that is 2 and 3. Between 4 and 9 there are 4 non-square numbers, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then between 9 and 16, how many non-square numbers are there? You have to minus it. 4 square minus 3 square, that means 16 minus 9. You will minus it. So you are getting 7. But is there 7 numbers? No, there are 6 numbers between 9 and 16. Okay, 6 numbers. So see here what is given between this 9 and 16. What are the numbers? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the 6 non-square numbers are there, which is 1 less than the difference of the two squares. That means you have got, when you subtracted these two square numbers, you are getting 7. But the actual answer is less than 1. That means here it is written 1 less than the difference of two squares. So whatever you got, it will be what? The answer will be 1 less than this number. So 7 minus 1, 6. Okay, like this. So every numbers there is 1 less than the number. So finally what we can conclude? In general we can say that there are 2n non-perfect square numbers between the square of the numbers n and n plus 1. So what is the meaning of n and n plus 1? The meaning is, suppose you are taking what? 4. 4 is n. Okay. 4 is n. And you are taking 5. The two consecutive numbers you are taking. So when you square two consecutive numbers, so one is 4, one is 5. So n is 4. So n plus 1 is what? 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. So that's why it is said n and n plus 1. So between n and n plus 1, there are how many non-square numbers? 2n. Okay, there are 2n non-square numbers. So I am giving the example here, then you will be clear now. So I am showing here by this formula 2n. Suppose between here 9, you have taken 3 square, and you have taken between 3 square and 4 square you want. How many non-square numbers are there? So n equal to 3. Okay, n is what? 3 here. So n plus 1 will be what? N plus 1 is 3 plus 1, that is 4. Okay, so we got 4. That means between 3 square and 4 square we want how many non-square numbers are there. So the formula is 2n. You will multiply. So 2n means 2 into n. What you assume? N? 3. So 2 3 are 6. So there are 6 non-square numbers between 3 square and 4 square. Here also we got like this same. So there are 6 non-square numbers between 3 square and 4 square. Understood? So by this formula we can find out how many non-square numbers are there between two consecutive numbers. Understanding or not? Again, see here the answer was how many non-square numbers are there? 8 non-square numbers are there. So how can you getting 8 now? See here, between 4 and 5. So suppose n is what? 4. Then n plus 1 will be what? N plus 1 will be 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, between 4 square and 5 square we want the non-square numbers. So the formula is 2n. So 2 is 2 into n is what? 4. So 2 4s are 8. So we got 8. See here, directly we are getting 8 non-square numbers are there between 4 square and 5 square. Understood? So this is, and that's why this formula is given. Okay, so underline this formula. So 2n non-perfect squares are between n and n plus 1. So you can check for 5 and 6 also. Here 5 is there, so n equal to 5. So n plus 1 will be what? 6. N plus 1 will be what? 6. So 2n means 2 into 5, so 10. So 10 square non-square numbers are there between 5 and 6 in this way. Understood? So go to next page. So in the next page it is given try this is given. How many natural numbers lie between 9 square and 10 square? Okay. So now n is what? N is what? It is 9. Okay. So formula is 2n. Formula is 2n. So 2 into 9. 2 into 9 is what? 18. So how many numbers are there? 18 non-square numbers are there between 9 square and 10 square. So in this way you can write this question number 1 and question number 2 very nicely. Okay students? So students, do this in your home and try to understand whatever I taught today. So every topic is different. Okay, so new for you. So you have to learn it nicely. So we'll see the next topic in the next video. Okay, thank you.